5 a.m. because I'm getting ready for my one-day adventure trip here in Bali. Today is a free day and I'll be able to go out and look for some adventure. Actually, I was thinking to go to beaches, but since I got so tan and so burned out in Ujung Kulon, so I decided not to go to any beaches at this moment. So today it's a less adventurous day, less sun, so hopefully I'll be able to show you nice places here in Bali that the views that I haven't visited. So I decided to go on for a waterfalls hunting. The first waterfalls that we're gonna visit is Tabumana Waterfalls. It's in Bangli, and there's another one in Bangli also. It's a waterfalls. It's a waterfalls inside a cave. So I think it's going to be really nice. So I'm with Pak Gide. Pak Gide is my super bapa for today. Bangil. Look at this rice field. It's so really beautiful. It's really so nice to be here at the paddy field or rice field. So this is Bangil. It's still here in Bali. So you can see the nice beautiful green scenery here in Bali. Look at that. It's so nice. You can hear the water flowing from this irrigation system here in Bali. So this is the wonderful place, beautiful place here in Bangil. I'm so happy that I'll be able to visit a different view of Bali. No more beaches, but more on the green fields and the mountain and the trees. So later on, I'll be going to Tabamana Waterfalls. So you will see this is the way going to Tabamana Waterfalls. So thank you so much for watching iCandy's Kitchen and her random adventure here in Bali. So I'm now here at Tabumana Waterfalls. So we're here, we arrived very early, so I'm going to check out the place. So that is the sign, just follow the arrow. So come with me, join iCandy's Kitchen and her random adventure going to Tabumana Waterfalls. Follow the arrow. So I'm trying to follow the arrow going to Tabumana Waterfalls. So this is really cool. It's so nice. It's really so green. I'm so happy. Sorry for my puffy eyes because I woke up really so early because I'm really excited to do this one-day adventure trip. iCandy's Kitchen and her random adventure. So follow me. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, yes. How much ba? So here I need to pay Bapa 10,000 for my entrance fee. So wait, I just need to pay first. Okay, guys, so to enter Tabumana, you have to pay Bapa 10,000 rupiah for the ticket. Can I see my ticket pa? So this is my ticket. This is Bapa. Thank you so much pa. Okay guys, so I'm now following the trail going to Tabumana Waterfalls. Tabumana Waterfalls. So just follow me. So this is the track. It's not that steep and it's easy to follow. So just follow iCandy's Kitchen and her random adventure. More on waterfalls adventure. Okay guys, so there's two ways. One is going to the waterfalls and the other one is going to Tampat Malukat. I don't understand what is Tampat Malukat. Later on, I will check that in my Google Translate. So I have to go down there. So follow me. Let's go. Kitchen and her random adventure. Only here in Bali. Hi everyone, so I think I'm almost here. I can see and I can hear the waterfalls, the water, like this gushing sound of water. It's really so nice. You can see there's a small nipa hut there, and I'm so excited. I just want to show you the place. This is really a nice, I'm in the middle of the forest already, so follow me as I go down. This is the first waterfall that I see, the Bumana waterfall. Whoa! So nice. I think I'm very early. I am alone in this waterfall. I think this is the first waterfall. This is a small waterfall. This is not yet the big waterfalls. So I'm crossing the bridge. Like forest. It's really so cool and see, so nice here. Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to iCandy's kitchen and her random adventure. Today is another wonderful day here at iCandy's kitchen because I'm here at Bangil and I'm able to see this wonderful waterfalls. It's Kinamawa Waterfalls here in Bangil, Bali, Indonesia. So I opted not to go to the beach but instead to go waterfall hunting for today's adventure. Can't you see? It's so wonderful. Actually, I'm really alone in this place and this is so beautiful. This is so serene and I really love the place. It's all green and waters. Thank you God for your wonderful creation. I'm so blessed to see this wonderful creation here at Bangil, Indonesia, Bali, Indonesia. So this is it. iCandy's random adventure, waterfalls hunting. Everyone, so I arrived in another destination. I'm here at Chupang Waterfalls, so I'll be entering and I need to pay another entrance fee, so I need to pay 10,000 rupiah.
Hello.
Hello.
Where are you from?
From Philippines pa.
Philippines.
Yeah. Wait. I need to pay first.
Just alone?
Okay, so I already paid my entrance fee, so I'm not going in. Thank you, Mas.
Yes.
So it's like so sad. It's like when he asks you, are you alone? Yes, I'm alone. It's okay. It doesn't matter if I'm alone. As long as I'm doing my random adventure. This is iCandy's kitchen reporting here at Chupang Waterfall. So follow me, guys. Oh, the beauty about this waterfall, they said it's really hidden inside a cave and then there's a waterfall. So imagine. Oh, God, I'm so amazed of your wonderful creation. Just to see even those ferns, I'm already in awe already. How beautifully they are made as they attach on the mountain and the cliff. So I'm glad they had this walkway, pathway, so I can go up and down. And just follow the walkway. Hi everyone, I think I already reached the entrance going to the waterfall, so I'm going inside that cave, and they said that the waterfall is inside the cave. So I saw some students, they just finished their trekking going to the Takong Tukad Chapung waterfalls. So I'm really excited what's in store for me inside. So follow me, let's go. Grateful for this opportunity that I can see and I can walk through this hole, this cave, and I will be able to see the waterfalls. I keep on looking on the wrong side of the camera, but it's okay. Just follow me. So I have to walk on this water. Just follow this water. Oh, the water is really cold, and you can see like there's like really drops of water falling down from the walls of this cave. It's really so nice. You can see that. Now we're at the Kudsupong. So this is a very nice waterfalls here in Benguel, Bali. You can see like there's like someone taking their a pre-wedding or photo shoot, I don't know, but everyone is like really lining up already here, so we could have our chance to take videos and take pictures at the waterfalls. So we will have our turn, don't worry, we will have our turn later on, and we're going to show you the wonderful waterfalls here at Benguel. Really so nice, I'm really so in awe. Waterfall. This is waterfall hunting, so really so cool. Please enjoy the video. I'm so glad. Taking shot at the waterfall, so I think I need to go back. I think this place is really for lovers. They're like all couples coming here taking their picture pre-wedding, I don't know, but I'm just so amazed and in awe. So you can see like waters are like dripping from that top and going down to my head. It's really so cool. And going out, it's like I have to pass this hole. So this is the only entrance and opening that we can use to go inside that waterfall. So you can see I'm all wet now, but I'm really enjoying my time. So let's try to go back now to the car. Just follow the track. Oh, see that? This is iCandy's kitchen again and her random adventure. Signing off from this second waterfall. So hopefully I can find another waterfall